Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and we are at the Transfer Express booth at the Impressions Expo 2025 in Long Beach, California. Here we're showcasing how you could use heat transfers to build a bigger and better t-shirt business this year. So much more than just direct to film. So let's come on in and see how you could use heat transfers and Hotronics heat presses to excel and really elevate your business this year. Let's go. Here, right at the front of the booth, we've got my favorite, the Hotronics Auto Clam Heat Press, equipped with the tag-along platen. So, in just one impression, we're going to be able to add retail looks with just one press. We'll load our t-shirt on here, make sure we're nice and centered and straight, and just like that, we can see how great this is to boost efficiency and help you profit more. Now, of course, time is money, but we're going to add a retail location right here to the inside tag. We'll go ahead and add our tag right here and our print on the front of the shirt. Now we are using our Ultra Color Pro transfers today that are going to give you the best of both worlds, from your screen print transfers to your direct to film. With all of this color in the artwork, you could do gradients, fades, or photorealism at any quantity and still get those screen print bulk discounts. In just one press, we're able to do that inside tag and the front of the shirt for a retail look that's quick, easy, and efficient. Of course, a single step hot peel transfer is going to give you that ability to do it all and profit with all of those quantity runs that are going to make it super easy, right? Here, we're going to slap that back down, and not only do we have the front of a shirt printed, we have the inside tag as well. But wait, there's more. With one more step, all you have to do is open on up the sleeve, and now we could be adding decoration right here to the sleeve. One setup, right? We have 3 locations we could print in under a minute. So look at the profitability of your time, of what you could achieve with just a heat press, right? All possible with Transfer Express transfers, the Hotronics heat press, and of course the tag-along platen. Now this platen is available for any Hotronics press with the quick change mechanism. You just pop it out, drop it right on back in, pop the lever down, and we are ready to press. Not only is it going to help you align your shirts easier, but it gives you the ability to put the inside tag as well as the front of the shirt in just one hit. So you could go to your customers and say, for $1 extra, we could put an inside tag in using gang sheets, screen printed transfers, or even our Ultra Color Pro hybrid transfers like we just showed. It's not costing you another cent to be able to do those inside tag locations and buy those transfers. And it takes what? 4 seconds to pull it up and down. That's extra profit in your pocket that's going to help you build a better brand. Here we have a great example of how you could bring a brand to life with heat transfers. From Ultra Color Max on a branded kitted box, right? Applies to cardboard, polyester, lycra, spandex, cotton, or even cotton poly blends. Here we see Goof Proof screen printed transfers in a 2-color, giving you a retail ready soft hand feel, looks, feels, washes, and wears like a screen print without the hassle of inks, emulsion, or any messy chemical cleanup. Of course, even metallic finishes. Look at this metallic rose gold colorway that we have that shines and sparkles. No weeding, no cutting. These prints arrive ready to apply. And of course, you can see Ultra Color Max with all of this detail and quality. Look how soft it is. It moves, stretches with a garment, especially this Portland Company Beach Watch PC099. Gives you a nice garment dyed option that looks incredible and on trend here in any colorway. We have Ultra Color Pro showcasing bulk quantities. We have here Ultra Color Max with more of this realism and detail in any number of pieces. DTF is great for any quantity, from those minimum single pieces or on-demand printing. Of course, more Goof Proof in a single color print that's going to be less than 1 cent per square inch. Ability to be ordered as a gang sheet or even as single images for that cost savings. Here, you could see just how great it applies to both fleece on this elevated District VIT fleece, or even here the Ultra Color Max, that premium finish on this nice heather option. Again, from the perfect fleece, and there you go. some shimmer and shine with those Goof Proof screen printed transfers. Here, we're going to show you how fast and easy it is to apply a Goof Proof screen printed transfer. We're just going to lay our shirt down here and give it a quick press. Now these are going to apply in just 4 seconds. So we're going to give a nice 3 to 5 second pre-press to remove any moisture from the garment. We'll take our transfer. This is real plastisol ink. We could lay down on our garment and press this, yes, for just 4 seconds. Cotton, polyester, or cotton poly blends, and a quick, instant, hot peel gives you a retail look and feel. And this is not DTF. This is less than 1 cent per square inch, looks, feels, washes and wears like a screen print, nice, smooth, soft, and pliable. And when we talk about profitability, we talk about efficiency with application. In just 4 seconds, we are screen printing without the mess, chemicals, or cleanup. Look how great that is. Here, we're showcasing Ultra Color Max on performance wear and these UPF fishing shirts with a nice little hood, the sun shirts, and Ultra Color Max. No dye migration here. Looks and feels absolutely incredible. You see how it moves with the graphic. No crunch, no heavy hand feel. This is the highest quality DTF transfer on the market with a quick and efficient single step hot peel transfer. Of course, this ships next day or even same day when ordered before production cutoff. So it's quick turn, able to be the solution for almost any customer needs, whether it be 100% polyester, cotton, or cotton poly blends, even spandex and lycra. Sublimated apparel, ultra color stretch in any color. Doesn't have to just be white one color, but we did this to show that there is zero dye migration on this sublimated print, right? So nice, bright, white opaques, or any colors when you're printing on anything that's going to dye migrate. This is another solution that's going to help you build a better business and a bigger t-shirt business here in 2025. Of course, our Goof Proof screen printed transfers again in a single color print that looks and feels like a retail ready screen print. New Goof Proof Premium, the plastisol transfer on a clear carrier is wowing here at this show for that soft hand screen print feel and its durable prints. Retail ready with just a heat press. All t-shirts start with artwork, and if you're not a designer, it's no problem. With the idea book and the Easy View online designer at Transfer Express, you could take any idea and bring it to life for your customers. Say you're working for schools. Here, let's use MAS 217. That's just going to be a customizable layout in the Easy View online designer. In the designer, we'll go and choose add a layout that was MAS 217, and we instantly recall the artwork. So here in the Easy View online designer, you can easily customize any of these layouts right here. All you have to do is swap out the clip art. You could change the fonts, change the colorways, and even mock it up. No graphic design or Photoshop experience needed. And before you know it, you have live, real-time quoting that you could quote to your customer, knowing accurate costs to ensure you're going to profit and meet your customer's budget. Look how easy this is. And that's what the Impressions Expo is all about. If you are looking to take your business to the next level in 2025, you got to make it out to one of these industry trade shows. We see the latest and greatest in heat transfers, how you could be more efficient, how you could profit more, and all of these brand new styles and trends that's going to keep you relevant with what's going on in the market and keep your customers happy. From Dave, Transfer Express, Stalls, and everybody else that we saw here today, let's have a great 2025 and happy pressing.